Hello everybody, happy 4th of July from EPCOT. We are here today to celebrate this holiday. There's special fireworks tonight and we are gonna have some fun, so let's go. Hello Spaceship Earth. Today we are here to party. Or, you know, just have a nice day. A little bit of summer rain as we're making our way back. The very first thing we did was enter and come all the way around to the America Pavilion. But I'm also noticing a lot going on in the World Showcase Lagoon here. It looks like they're building up for the new fireworks show already. Wow. Normally on the 4th of July, the America Pavilion, there's characters dressed in patriotic outfits, there's special things going on. Of course, we gotta listen to the Voices of Liberty, the acapella singing group, and just start our day here. On the 4th of July, you can usually get special character pictures with the characters dressed in their patriotic outfits. Right now, it's raining.
It's 100%, so they're not going to be out for a little bit.
Okay.
You're welcome to wait if you like, but we're not sure 100% when they'll...
Ooh, they just said they're not sure when they're going to come back. Yay, they're out! Yay! So cute. Alright, they're going to go chill out for a second and then come back. Yay! They're back! Woohoo! Hi Chippendale! Happy 4th of July! I like how you came out in that march. That was patriotic. That was really good.
Oh, how you feel? There you go. Perfect.
Bye! Look, it's Mickey and Pluto and Goofy. I love seeing them in these patriotic outfits. This is the cutest. They only wear these on the 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July.
One 4th of July tradition that will get us out of the rain is seeing the Voices of Liberty perform. Let's go check them out. We've got a packed house for the Voices of Liberty show, and look how cool. They've got the stars on the ceiling. It's all themed up. Here they come. Always a pleasure to listen to the Voices of Liberty sing. It's so beautiful. Love their performance. I do miss their old colonial outfits. They have these new modern outfits, but they're beautiful no matter what, and an amazing performance. I remember in past years on the 4th of July, they would have them out on this stage, and I kind of wish they would do that. I understand why not. It's really hot out, and maybe because they need to prepare for the Garden Rocks concerts, but it would have been so cool. I'm so happy we got to meet Chippendale, and now we need to cool off, and we're also hungry, so there's only one place that's our tradition to eat on the 4th of July here at EPCOT, and that is Regal Eagle. Where it's kind of always the 4th of July, right? Well, we're gonna go ahead and use mobile order. They've changed the menu quite a bit here at Regal Eagle since it first opened. There used to be a sampler platter that we loved and would always get, but that is off the menu. The sausage doesn't appear to be on the menu anymore. It's fun to eat in here on the 4th of July because of the decorations and, of course, the Muppet theming. We love the Muppets. We love the whole theming of the barbecue sauce competition with Sam Eagle as the judge. It's just really cute. But we went ahead and ordered the North Carolina chopped smoked pork butt platter with some barbecue sides, the Memphis dry rub pork ribs, got some macaroni and cheese, house-made pickles, coleslaw, and we got some nice cold Bell's Oberon American wheat ales. We also got a sampling of the barbecue sauces. I kind of like them all, but I like the general main, you know, regular barbecue sauce best, I think. We're gonna dig in. Thankfully, even though they've changed the menu, it's all still pretty good, decent, and hearty, and it'll fill you up. Just wish they'd bring back some of the things they took off the menu. The pickles taste like they just took pickle slices and slathered them in vinegar and didn't let them cook enough, but you know what, I like pickles and I like vinegar, so it's fine. Today I'm particularly digging the mustard sauce. I like it. I think today Gonzo won for me. All right, let's go back out there and keep on going. Woo! Looks like Minnie. That cloud looks like Minnie's like bow. It's a little warm, isn't it, today?
It's a little toasty for my British blood.
It feels like 114 today.
Yeah, it is a little warm.
Yeah. I wish there was like a water ride we could go on.
Oh, that'd be nice.
That'd be nice. But let's see what we can find to go on a ride in the air condition. That's how you beat the heat in the summer. You beat the heat in the AC.
Let's find some AC.
Check this out. In the British Pavilion, there's a band playing. Now, bands playing here is pretty normal, but it's been a while. I'm inside.
It's a couple from David Bowie. Hey, if you're just joining us, welcome to the UK. Happy 4th of July. Who's having a good time at EPCOT, you guys?
We are! I'm inside the store watching you.
Matt, what do you think? Is it time for some rock and roll? Is it a good time?
It's always a good time for rock and roll. There have been different bands that played here in the UK Pavilion, and right now it's Command Performance. Looks like the restrooms here in the UK Pavilion are under some renovation, so good to know, good to know. A lot of construction still going on here as EPCOT is still taking shape, and we're still waiting to see what it becomes. We were able to get a boarding pass for Guardians of the Galaxy today, so we are gonna go and take a ride, you know, to the thing. Let's go, Terrans. Ooh, look at this. They've added a bunch of umbrellas here and benches for what looks like it will be an outdoor queue area. Hopefully one day this ride will turn into a regular queue, but for now, off to Xandar. Well, the wonders of Xandar. I love this. We got the turkey leg.
He's 2.537 million light years away.
Wow, that's a big line for the virtual queue. Or is that lightning lane? We'll see.
Big bang. And from nothing came the beginning of everything. Vast quantities of goods from all corners of the Andromeda galaxy.
Community of tomorrow. We are gratified that Dean and you appreciate the value of good design for better living.
We apologize for the inconvenience. Thank you for your patience. And should you need any assistance, please see a member of the Nova Corps.
And they just made an announcement that the ride is delayed. The line hasn't moved for a long time, so I'm not surprised.
Is the cosmic generator. And in just a few moments, we'll be activating it so you can experience for yourself what's happening.
I'm not sure. Our power's out. What?
How?
Why didn't we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it? Perhaps that really big man outside your ship. Oh, that is a big man.
That's not creepy at all. Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. We got this.
We're all toast. First it was cake, now there's toast. Splinter's looking so hungry.
Ready? Well, we're coming. I'm gonna give you a pro tip. Everybody tries to push to be in front to get in line, and I understand why. It is nice to get on the ride sooner. But if you are last and let everybody who's pushing go in front of you, it's not so bad actually.
It's much more chill this way to save the galaxy.
Yeah, you know what? You just save the galaxy, but you do it in a cool way. Yeah. And now look, we have room, we don't have people pushing us, we're not all funneled in, and we'll get on the ride. So I say, that's a ticket. Look, it's red, white, and blue.
Oh yeah.
It counts. 4th of July. We are in row 10.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man,
Uh-oh.
then you're likely doomed.
You're gonna need it.
From existence.
I think we're jumping back.
September! We always get September!
We're here. It's about time. Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention?
September is just our song on this
Yeah, I
now.
think September's my favourite.
Yeah.
I wonder if it's like because it's the first one we ever had.
And we get it all the
Yeah.
time.
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
You are lying to them. Now I understand. Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Let's see, is it raining yet? Ooh, it's getting there. It's gonna. Oh, it's gonna. It's thundering.
Let's go back to Xandar. Whoever seems nicer.
Yeah. Uh-oh. We're gonna head into Connections Eatery because there is something new I want to try, and plus it's raining. And here is the tree cake. Look at how cool this is. The Baumkuchen. And you can see them making it out here too, and you see this beautiful tree they've created. And the reason it's called a tree cake, well, part of it is the word means tree cake, but there are layers inside of it that look like the rings inside of a tree. So it's awesome, I gotta try it. Sam got a liege waffle. That's like the thing here, right?
Yeah.
They're always like, get a liege waffle.
There was an orange bird one and this one.
Nice. They're $5.99 each. I got one regular and one chocolate covered so I could try them both. I had to get the tree cake. I've actually been excited about this all day. It's fairly new here at EPCOT, and the inside resembles the growing rings of a tree. It's a layered cake, and I don't know, it just looks and sounds so good. It's very simple, and I tend to like simple. And I love that you can watch them making them out here. And they come in boxes you can get up at Starbucks, actually, here at Connections. It's made here using the traditional layering method and pays homage to the cake's German roots. I'll take that bowl of ends that they cut off. They look good. I'm excited to try it. Here are the two slices of Baumkuchen tree cake. I got the regular and I got the chocolate covered because, you know, we got to try both. Let's try it. Ooh, it's soft and squishy. It's kind of like a plain pound cake or vanilla cake or something like that, which I really like. I like a simple plain cake. It's very, very light and it's not super sweet or anything. No, I really like it. I can't cut into it and I didn't get a knife. Just have to take a bite of it. Hello, may I please speak to tree cake? I kind of think it's better plain, which is normally I would say chocolate's always better. You know what? It's good both ways. I changed my mind. I think I like the chocolate layered one better. I wouldn't say it's dark chocolate, but it tastes richer and darker than regular milk chocolate, which I like. All right, we're all done in here. Let's see what's going on outside. Look, it's a rainbow. Can you see it? Rainbow. Oh man, the sun came back out with a vengeance. And we're over here by the Imagination Pavilion, so we might as well pay a little visit to Figment, see what other characters and fun things may be around over here. Did you know this fountain goes backwards? Very cute. Looks like Journey into Imagination with Figment is 10 minutes. Oh, nice. That AC feels good. Ooh, we're in row 1.
Oh, Lord.
Woohoo!
It's about listening with your imagination. Great idea. We'll go to my open house instead. It's much more fun. Now you're talking. That's the best idea you've had all day.
Cozy.
Imagination is a blast.
Follow the Figment footprints. Look at these Figment ears. They're plush. I haven't seen these before. Whoa. And then these Wonderground vinyl figures. Ooh. There's about an hour and a half now until fireworks. They're gonna show EPCOT Forever as usual, and then they're going to have a special 4th of July ending called The Heartbeat of Freedom. We're very excited for it. The fountain has made its own rainbow there. I don't know if you can see it, but very cool.
I like that one too. You just get so scared about that.
It's now about an hour until fireworks, and everywhere around the perimeter of the World Showcase Lagoon that's not blocked by a tree is taken. I think he's looking for a spot too.
That area is closed.
It's closed, bro. It's closed. Brave. I think that right here in the Japan Pavilion is kind of our favorite view for fireworks here, so we are gonna hang out here. Beautiful sunset tonight. And here we go. They've got the red, white, and blue on Spaceship Earth for the 4th of July. Very cool. And that's lovely.
Hello, EPCOT World Travelers. The EPCOT family is proud to welcome you to World Showcase Lagoon. In just 15 minutes, we invite you to enjoy EPCOT Forever, a spectacular celebration of EPCOT yesterday and tomorrow.
It goes on for a long time. I guess they just leave it on there chilling, sparkling before the fireworks start.
Family is proud to welcome you to World Showcase Lagoon. In just 10 minutes, the sky will sparkle with color and light as EPCOT proudly presents EPCOT Forever, our amazing fireworks spectacular.
We call it EPCOT. EPCOT. Community of Tomorrow.
Oh, these songs, I love them.
Forever and ever, as you celebrate the future hand in hand.
We miss illumination so much.
EPCOT is and will always be in a state of becoming. It will never cease to be a living blueprint of the future.
And happy 4th of July.
Today we celebrate generations of people from all walks of life who have woven their stories together to form this tapestry that is the United States of America.
Join us now in a salute to the enduring spirit of the American people who stand together and become the heartbeat of freedom.
Lift every voice and sing.
Till earth and heaven ring. Ring with the harmonies of liberty.
Your country can do for you. I have a dream today. Ask what you can do for your country.
We hold these truths to be self-evident, that all men are created equal,
That they are endowed with certain unalienable rights.
and that among these are life, liberty,
And the pursuit of happiness.
Oh, the America Pavilion, yeah. Forgot about that part. That's awesome. Wow. Woo! That's amazing. Holy moly. Above us. Oh my gosh. Woohoo!
for joining us this 4th of July. We hope you have a wonderful evening and enjoy the rest of your visit here at Walt Disney World Resort.
Those are fireworks like no other. Well, besides like New Year's Eve.
Yeah. But America.
You can feel them in your chest.
That's what I took away from that.
Look at all of the clouds from the fireworks. Amazing. That was awesome. It's now 9:19. The fireworks just ended. Magic Kingdom's fireworks are going to start any minute now, so we'll probably see them from over here. There it is. There's the Magic Kingdom 4th of July fireworks. And those are called Disney's Celebrate America fireworks.
Cool from here.
Yeah, they look cool from here. Pretty neat. And we'll let the crowds kind of filter out as we watch that. There's fireworks happening in every direction from everywhere because today is the 4th of July. So it's pretty cool. You can hear the sky booming from here. Yeah, over yonder there's some, must be from another resort or something. Over there. Way over there. Ooh.
I love when they do perimeter fireworks at Magic Kingdom.
Me too. And it's cool how from here you can see the whole thing spread out.
At EPCOT in Japan, you get 2 shows for the price of 1.
I like it. I'll take it. That's so cool. And Spaceship Earth looks cool too.
What are these dogs thinking?
On behalf of the entire EPCOT family, we thank you for joining us today on a journey filled with discovery, innovation, and imagination. From opening day, EPCOT's goal has been to entertain, inform, and inspire. But above all, to celebrate a world that offers a spark of hope to people all across the globe, including you. Until we see you again, have a safe trip home. Good night.
Bye. Follow the Spaceship Earth flag to get out of the park in the crowds. It's not too bad though.
No.
Like it's definitely been worse.
It wasn't like New Year's Eve.
Yeah, even on the 4th I feel like it's been worse to get out in these crowds. It's not that bad.
It picked up closer and got to fireworks.
Yeah, definitely. And we did it, another 4th of July here at EPCOT at Walt Disney World. We kind of alternating now with some 4th of Julys at Universal and some at Disney, or sometimes like the 3rd at one and the 4th at another. But this year, EPCOT it is. The 4th of July fireworks are phenomenal. You can feel it in your chest. They are so powerful and so amazing. It's definitely something worth seeing, and hopefully you enjoyed seeing it with us. And it is a blazing hot summer, but we're out here having a blazing good time. Did you like that, Sam?
They don't call it a heartbeat for nothing. You feel it.
That is so true.
I'm leaving here feeling proud to be in America.
Oh, I love that. And I'm so happy that you're here too, and I'm happy that you guys joined us for this day, a fun day at EPCOT. Yeah.
I am not acclimatized to the heat.
Yeah.
It's been a few years and it gets you.
It gets ya. You know, yeah, like even my whole life of living here, like I'm used to it, but I never really get used to it. Yeah. You just kind of melt. I call it the swamp glow.
Yeah. We've definitely got that today.
So thank you guys so much for hanging out with us. Happy 4th of July and just happy day for all of you anywhere that you are. Stay tuned for lots of fun stuff coming up. We are sending you a ton of love, right? A ton. See you for the next video. And until then, as always, stay enthused. Nailed it!